Are you trying to build your very first online store but don't know where to start? You are in the right place. In this complete beginner's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up your Shopify store step by step. From signing up, customizing your theme, adding products, setting up payments and shipping, all the way to connecting your domain name and launching your store. And here is some good news. Shopify now gives you 3 free day trial, and after that, you only pay $1 per month for the next 3 months. I've dropped my special link in the description so you can follow along with me risk-free. First, head over to shopify.com using the link in the description and sign up for your free trial. You'll just need to enter your email, password, and store name. Don't worry too much about the store name yet. You can change it later. Once you are in, you'll land on the Shopify dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage products and orders, website design, payments and shipping, your Shopify apps and analytics. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout because you'll be coming back here a lot. Next, let's choose and customize your theme. Now, let's make your store look professional. Go to Online Store. Click on Themes. By default, Shopify installs the Dawn theme, a clean modern theme that works for most beginners. You can stick with the Dawn theme or browse other free and premium themes in the Shopify theme store. Now click on Customize and you'll enter the store editor section. In this section, you can do the following. You can edit on-page sections, that is banners, feature products, and how your store generally will look at the front end. You can change layouts, colors, and typography. You can also preview how your store looks on desktop and mobile and other devices. Here is a tip. Start with a free theme until you are making sales. You can always upgrade to a premium theme later. A theme like the Beautify is a very good one. Step 3 is store branding. Branding makes your store stand out. So in the editor session, you can upload your store logo, set your brand colors, keep it 2 to 3 main colors, don't have more colors. You can choose fonts that match your niche and add tagline or slogan to your homepage banner. Here is a tip. Keep it clean. A simple design builds more trust and converts better than a cluttered store. Step 4 is adding products. Now let's add some products to your store. Go to Products, then select Add Products. Fill out the following details. Your product title and description. Make it clear and persuasive. Upload high quality images for your product. Set your price and cost. Add inventory levels. Create variants like size, color. If you are dropshipping, you can install apps like Deezers or Sell the Trend to import products directly from your suppliers. Here is a tip. Use Shopify AI Writing Assistant to generate product descriptions quickly. Then edit them to fit your brand voice. Step 5 is creating our collections. Collections help organize your products into categories. For example, men clothing, bestsellers, or summer collection. You can create collections manually and add product yourself, or set them to automatic so Shopify adds products that match specific rules like tags or price ranges. This makes browsing easier for your customers while they are on your store. Step 6 is customizing your store pages. Now that we have product and collections done, let's customize the store pages. In the store editor, you can add or remove sections on the home page. You can feature your collections, you can feature specific product, you can add testimonials, contact information, or a newsletter sign up. Use a hero banner at the top with a clear call to action like shop now or browse collection. Step 7 is navigation menu. Head over to content section in your Shopify store. Select navigation or menu. You can add links to your home page, shop, collection, about us, and contact us. You can also create drop-down submenus like men, shirts, pants, shoes. Don't forget to set up the footer menu for policies and contact details. Step 8 is generating store policies. Shopify makes policies easy. So go to settings, then select policies and use the built-in templates to generate the following: refund policy, terms of use, shipping policy. Always customize them to fit your business and brand. Step 9 is setting up the payment processes. Now let's set up payment for your store so you can get paid. In your setting, head over to payment section. You can enable the following: Shopify payments, which accept credit and debit cards directly, but depends with your store location. It is not available for everyone. You can also add PayPal, Stripe, and even the newest option like ShopPay, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. Here is a small tip: don't disable PayPal. It's widely trusted and can improve conversion rates. The next step is shipping rates. Now let's go to settings and select shipping and delivery. In this section, you can set up the following: free shipping above a certain order value, flat rate shipping, carrier calculated shipping if you're using integrated carriers. Here is a tip: offering free shipping even if you build it into your product price increase conversions. Step 11 is your general settings in your store. Before launch, check general settings and make sure you have the following: store name and email, business address, store currency, tax settings are all filled in correctly. Under branding, upload your logo and confirm your color so everything is consistent. Step 12 is the domain setup and configuration. Finally, let's set up your domain name. Go to settings, select domain names. You have two options: buy a new domain directly from Shopify, which is easy and automatic, or if you already own a domain name from a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, you can connect it here by following Shopify instructions. Having your own domain makes your store look way more professional than the free Shopify URL. The last step, which is step 13, pick a plan and launch your store. To launch your store, you'll need to pick a Shopify plan. Start with the basic plan. It has everything you need as a beginner. Once that's done, remove the password protection, place a test order, and congratulations, your store is live. And remember, Shopify offers 3-day free trial. Then you'll be paying $1 per month for the next 3 months. Grab the link in the description and start building your Shopify store today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my next video. See you there. Bye.